Hi there, everybody. Guess what? This is my 200th pressure cooker video. Isn't that amazing? I know, because I have a playlist and I put all my pressure cooker videos in the playlist and it's up to $1.99. This is going to be 200. And I'm going to cook a 7-pound chicken in my 8-quart Go Wise pressure cooker. Right now I have oil in there. It's warmed up. It's on saute mode. I'm going to put it in there, brown it up a little bit. If you don't have browning mode, you have saute. That's the way to go. So let me pop this in here. It's hot. It's a 7-pound chicken. It's washed and dried. And it's going to brown up a little bit. I don't expect it to be crunchy brown. I just want to get some color on it, okay? And then I'm going to use McClards barbecue sauce that my buddy Jim sent me yesterday from Mississippi. Remember I tried that redneck lipstick on the hot dogs for breakfast? Well, this is going to be good on here. It's going to be barbecue pressure cooker chicken. It fits in there pretty good, doesn't it? I think I'm going to cut up an onion too while I'm browning. Let me flip this over. I'll roll it around. Get a grip on it. Yellow brown, okay. While that side is browning, let me tell you something about this McClards that Jim sent me. There's a little story on the back of this McClards. When a traveler unable to pay his $10 tab for a 2-month stay in the West Side Tourist Court offered the owners the recipe for the world's greatest barbecue sauce, they reluctantly accepted. A short time later, in 1928, Alex and Gladys McClard changed the name of their business to West Side Barbecue. The sauce was that good. Ooh, yeah. Today, the second, third, fourth generations of McClards serve 3.5 tons of mouth-watering beef, pork, and ribs each week. Ooh! And the $10 recipe for the world's greatest barbecue sauce is tucked away downtown in a safe deposit box. It's that good. There's the old folks there. See them? Congratulations. This has got to be good. I'm not going to use this whole thing on this chicken, although I could. But I want to save it for some ribs or something too. Let me take a smell of that. Oh yeah. Alright, that's just going to give me some flavor on my chicken. Along with that onion. I'm just cutting up a little bit of onion. You don't have to. Or you can put more stuff in there, whatever you like. You know, everybody makes it their own different way. That's what's good about these recipes. Make it yours. Let me roll this around a little more. I'd love to get it on its side. And like I said, it's not going to get crunchy brown. I just want to get some color to it and get it started. Stand up when I'm talking to you. I got it flipped over. Rest on the side a while. I'm always so impatient and I don't let it really get brown. So we got some color there. Some yellow color. It's going to be good though. I'll have sandwiches with this for lunch. Whoops. I hurt my skin a little bit. That's alright. Alright, we don't want them to fall apart yet. I got a nice rack I'm going to put this on. I'm going to cancel my saute mode. Move that aside and show you this fancy rack I have. I forget which pressure cooker I got this with. Maybe the Go Wise. So you can lift it out when you're done. So I'm going to grab 2 forks and get this chicken out on this nice rack. So squeeze my arms for a second here. Oh yeah. 7-pound chicken. I'll leave a little bit of that olive oil in there. Now I lift this handy rack. Put my chicken in there. Fits nicely. You can get a smaller chicken if you have a smaller pressure cooker. Or a bigger one if you have a bigger. I'm going to add my onions. Medium-sized onion. For flavor, because I like it. You don't have to. A little salt and pepper on top. Anything you like. I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the bottom of this. Notice I didn't do anything with the sauce yet. Don't rinse off your spices. 1, 2 cups of water, and the rack is keeping the chicken above the water, which is good. I'm going to take my delicious McClards barbecue sauce, or whatever kind you have, or you don't have to put barbecue sauce at all on there. You put butter and garlic or anything you like. But I'm just going to coat this without using it all because I'm going to save some for something else. But we're going to get some good flavor in here. Pressure is going to infuse this. Okay. That's it. Half a jar. Half a bottle. Taste it. Mmm. So good. Oh, yes. Put your lid on. I'm going to go 30 minutes. Let's see what mode we have here. You know, they all have the different modes. Some have chicken modes. Some have manual. Let's find a chicken. Poultry. 15. I want to go up. High pressure. I'm going 30 minutes. And since that's warm in there already, the pressure will come up sooner. Make sure you're on pressure mode on top here, which I am. Pressure. Okay, let our pressure build up and start counting down half an hour, and we're gonna have some great barbecue chicken sandwiches. My 200th pressure cooker video. Woo! Got less than a minute remaining. Another thing I like about this GoWise pressure cooker is it has a pressure gauge there. You see it's 12.3 pounds of pressure right now. It fluctuates as it cooks. And when I let the pressure out on top, that number will go down. It sure smells good. There we go. See that? Mmm, smells good. Let's let the pressure out. Don't burn yourself. And back when that pressure's out. Wait, watch that go down. That number will go down. Almost! I can't wait! Okay, it's almost all the way out. Let's see what this chicken's gonna look like. It smells delicious with that good sauce. Alright, I heard it release. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh, and remember I have that nice rack where I could move it out. And I could use that for like sauce on the bottom. Can't I? It is sauce. It's all infused in the chicken. And pick it up and put it on a plate. Here's a funny serving plate. Let me pull this out with this handy racks. Ooh, remember the onions? Oh, that smells so good. Let me get this, some of the sauce and onions out of here. More onions. It's gonna fall apart, I know this. All right, let's go over to the table. Boy, does that smell good. Pressure cooker whole chicken. Come here. Ooh. I made quite a few pressure cooker chickens. You might remember, because it's so easy and it's really good, and you get some good leftovers. I said I was gonna make a sandwich, but first I want to try this leg. It's so tender, it falls apart, see? It just falls apart. I want to eat a leg, but I ain't going here, I guess. Don't even need a knife, just a fork. Let me get some bread though, okay? Regular bread, or rolls if you got them. 100% meat. See, 2 forks. Just peel it off. See what else I got here? I got some pickles and horseradish. Oh, this just falls apart. I think the chicken's upside down, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. Wow. It just falls apart, see? You can go a little less on time if you don't want it to fall apart, but make sure your internal temperature is 165. I know this one is. I'll put some horseradish on mine, because I like it. Put some more of this McClards barbecue sauce on. Although it is in the meat. That just helps. That just helps. And a couple pickles, if you like them. If not, it's all right. Time to eat. Easy and inexpensive, isn't it? Whole chickens, they don't cost much. Oh, horseradish. Barbecue, sweet, smoky. I love it. Change it up however you like. Okay? That's a nice Sunday dinner, or anytime. Or for a picnic. We can cook this outside on deck. I was going to do that. Okay? Oh. Thanks for joining me for my 200th pressure cooker video. I'm so glad you all watched and subscribed. Keep on watching and subscribe if you're not yet. I'll put a link to my playlist right there. Of my pressure cooker playlist. Okay, talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Oh, almost.